with item 10003. Yes, this one. Yes, you can refer to this model.
This one is very small, and this one works like this, and this one can be used for the small bus top and the easy one, and normally used for the ABS shell tray or bus top. And this one can be something like special, like for gas or something. And this one is so small. And you're welcome to send us an inquiry, and we can offer you the very good prices. Thank you so much, my friend.
Yes. Well done. Okay, the next one, item number is 71260.
Yeah, this
it's
one
pop-up frozen.
Yeah, this one compared with this one, okay, this one is a pop-up. Just like you use your feet of the push and then close and open. This one pop-up one.
Yeah, the cover is removable.
Yes. Thank you, and you're welcome to send us an inquiry.
The main body is made of ABS.
Yeah.
With white color.
Yeah, the outlet is also like a 40 millimeter.
It's equipped with black pads made of rubber.
So this one family.
We are going to introduce to you. Yes, this is 1X8115. It's stainless steel frozen with 201 material.
This one, the stainless steel material can be 201, 304, or 316. And this one, the outlet can be 103 and 90. We have many different options. And this one can be used like this. So on the top we can use the tiles, and also can be used like this. So we don't need to put anything. So it's like a stainless steel finish. And this one very good sale to Australian market, and also in UAE, Dubai market. We sell a lot. You're welcome to send us inquiry, and also the sample is free. Like if you because we always have the stock, and if you need any sample, we are free to send you the samples. Thank you so much. And this one we do sell a lot, and you're welcome to send us inquiry. We have very good price and good products, also good service, of course.
Thank you, excellent. The next one I'm going to introduce to you is 726247. Yes, as the same with previous one, it's made of ABS and it's white, equipped with black pads made of rubber. Yes.
This one is similar like the before one, but this one the main body is bigger, and this one used the same like this, and this one is good for UK and European market.